Girl, I'm so nervous. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is episode 2 of my recovery journey for my hair. I don't remember what the series is called, but of course I'm gonna be actually chopping my hair because it makes no sense for me to be doing this journey but in the same breath I am not actually doing the journey, right? I need a fresh canvas, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I just had an epiphany. It's either cut it or relax it, but then I don't want to relax damaged hair. It makes no sense. I am going to cut my hair. This is how my hair is looking right now. Look how my hair look. So I have my hair sectioned and I separated the crown, divided this in 4. So 1, so 2 here and then 2 in the back, like so. And I'm gonna cut at an angle because I still want to keep some at the top. Alright, so my hair is freshly washed and I think I'm gonna cut a little bit more on this side. I think because it's my left side, I didn't do like a good work on this side, but I decided to leave it until it's styled to do that. The Design Essentials almond and avocado curl forming custard. It does say to use the leave-in conditioner with it, which I already had. I've used it before, but it's not my go-to. I'm not sure if it works well with my hair, if I'm being honest, but gonna give it a fair shot. I don't really want to do a big section, to be honest. And I remember one of the reasons why I stopped using it is because I don't like the smell. The smell is, I don't like it. I'm gonna try doing the mousse first and then the gel. Right off the bat, the curls are curling. I really like the custard. It doesn't feel sticky or heavy on my hair, and I think merging it with the foaming lotion, the wrap lotion, is gonna be a chef's kiss. Hopefully it doesn't flake. Okay, so this is the hair. I wish this was higher, but I think it will be higher when it's dry and I like puff it out. But I just want the sides to be short and the top to be a bit higher. But I don't think it will be giving that right now because everything is out. But this is the end of it. It's fully dry. I diffused it, so it should be good for me to like put it in a bonnet and go about my day. I love how the curls are very defined with this custard. It's dry. I don't think I'm gonna get any flaking with this combo that I used. So yes, so cheers to the new journey ahead with my fresh canvas. Honestly, I thought about this for days. Yesterday I was like, I'm gonna do it, but I was like, let's wait until the morning. This morning I woke up, I slept on it, and I was like, no, we're cutting our hair today. And I did it. This is episode 2. See you in episode 3. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.